In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix 100% disk usage on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go jump into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and here you need to simply type services. Click on services under the best match. Now, once you have opened the services window, you just need to simply scroll down to the S section and look for the sysmain or superfetch service. Now, once you find that, this is unnecessary, so we just need to make a right click and then select properties. For the startup type, you have to change this to disabled, and then for the service status, you have to stop the service and click on apply and click on OK. Now, once done, you have to close this. Then right click at the start button and here you have to select File Explorer to open the File Explorer window. Now we need to maximize this. Here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on this PC. Now you will find your Windows C drive. You just need to make a right click and here you have to select Properties. Now you'll find the Tools tab, click on that and here you'll find Optimize and Defragment Drive, click on Optimize. Now make sure that the scheduled optimization is off, okay? If this is turned on, then you just need to simply uncheck this option, click on OK, and it will state right here that it is off. Okay, now close this, click on OK, and then close this too. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and here simply type appwiz.cpl. Appwiz.cpl control panel item, simply click on that. Now once you open the appwiz.cpl command, this will let you open for the programs and features and you will find all the currently installed programs on your Windows. Now what you can do is you have installed applications for the past days, past week, past month that you're not using as of today, then you need to simply uninstall that. On how you can uninstall that, just simply click on the program or apps and then make a right click and then select uninstall or simply click the uninstall button right here at the top. Once you have uninstalled all the unnecessary programs, then close this. For the next method, we need to make a right click at the start button and here we have to select task manager. Maximize the Task Manager window. Here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on Startup Apps. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs enabled on your Windows. Then you have to disable all the unnecessary startup program. So if this is unnecessary, you just need to make a right click and then select disable, but do not disable the important ones like the security or the antivirus. Okay, once done, close this. And then we also need to make sure that our Windows operating system is updated. So click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon. Here in the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So this will update your Windows. Check for all the available updates. Now, once you're updated, finally, we need to make a restart to apply all the changes that we have made. Make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.